Welcome to another episode of the unboxing video. I'm gonna try and make this video a really quick one because I'm a little bit pressed for time, but I want to push content out for you guys. I'd like to thank all the new subscribers that's been subscribing to my channel and giving me comments and likes and whatnot. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna try and push and make better content for you guys. And I also want to give a special shout out to one of my new subscribers. He's Yannick and he's from the Netherlands. He just recently got his first car and it looks really cool. I'm gonna put a couple pictures here. Be sure to follow him on his Instagram. I'm gonna link it down at the bottom in the description. And yeah, so let's get to the unboxing right now. Alright, so let's get to the next box to unbox. This is a pretty light box and it's pretty big, so let's start unboxing that right now. I already know what this is, and as you can see it's wrapped so well that even if I were to drop it I wouldn't damage it at all. So that's how the Japanese actually wrap this stuff before they ship it out to you. So yeah, let's get to unwrapping this. Here we go. So this is one of the rarest piece out there. It's actually a front grille for the CU80, a legit front Nismo grill for the CU80. So what people would normally do is they would take an R32 front grille and they would mount it and replace it with the center garnish with this. So, but this one was specially made by Nismo. I'm not sure if you guys can actually see the Nismo work here. This is a Nismo piece for the Silver S13. It's for the coupe version or the Onavia. No, oh, sorry, not the coupe, not the Onavia version. It's for the coupe version and a CU80 conversion. So yeah, this piece rarely ever pops up, and if they do pop up, the condition it's not as good as this. This one still has the Nismo emblem in it, and there's no cracks. There's a little bit of a dink here, but it's there. The hardware is still there. Mounting points are they're all solid, and yeah, this is one of the rarest piece out there, and I'm glad I got it. So let's get to the next box, which is, how about we do this one first. So by this, I mean, I'm not sure if this fits in frame or not, but by the looks of this, you guys should probably already know what this is. So let me unbox it. Okay, so if you guys can tell, this is a Nismo Strut Bar for the S13, and it looks a little bit different from most of them because this was an early version and it's made for the models that came with the CA18 engine in it, and mine's the one that has the CA18 in it. And it took me a really long time to find this, and I'm so glad I finally found it. And yeah, I'm gonna be restoring this. So if you remember in the previous video, I said that I have the old logo stickers, the stickers that I'll be using to do to stick on some of the restore pieces that I'll be doing. So this is one of them, and yeah, I'm gonna be making a video about me trying to restore this. Hopefully it turns out good. So let's put this aside and do that big box over there. We have another Nismo Strut Bar and this one's for the S15 actually. I actually got this by mistake because the guy who sold it to me told me that it would fit on an S13 chassis, and I was too eager to get it and I didn't do enough research before I bought it. But yeah, I'm also going to be doing a restoration on this because it has seen its days, and the really unique thing about this is that on the end of it, as you can see here, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera or not, but it's actually old logo Nismo, the old logo Nismo font on here, and this was for the Nissan S15. So yeah, let's put this aside. Alright, so this is a rear strut bar. Sorry if this is blocking, I'm going to put this aside for now. Make sure to damage it. Okay. So this is a rear Nismo strut bar. It's also the old logo version, as you can see here, and I'm going to be restoring this as well. Unfortunately, this doesn't fit the S13, so I'm gonna be restoring this, and I'm gonna try and trade. I'm gonna trade this for a rear strut bar that fits the S13 chassis. So this one actually only fits the R32 and the A31 Sephiros. Yeah, and I mistakenly bought it because the description wasn't clear. All the guy said in the posting was it was a Nismo strut bar, and he zoomed in on the end of the strut bars and the whole thing itself, and he didn't know which model it came from or which model it fit, and I bought it because it's really cheap. Only to find out later on while I was inspecting the pictures after I've won the bid that it actually fit the R32 and not the S13. So yeah, but it's okay. Who knows, we might keep this, and in the future we'll put it on one of the cars that I've stated. So yeah, so that's that for the unboxing video, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Alright, so you guys thought that was the last item of the unboxing video, but I've actually saved the best for the last. And if you actually see the thumbnail in the first video I've ever posted, as a sneak peek of it in that thumbnail. So here it is. This is the holy grail, at least for me. I wouldn't call it a holy grail actually. This is like the best grab for me for old logo Nismo stuff because it has the box. And it's in pretty good condition for its age for the box, and you guys know what's inside. I'm gonna show it to you right now, so let's be very careful not to rip the box apart. So this is the box. I'm gonna put it here. As you guys can already tell, this is the steering wheel. So it's another Nismo 365A steering wheel. And the story behind this actually is I bought this steering wheel first, and then I couldn't bear to use it because it's brand spanking new. It's literally brand new. You can tell, like, from the leather and from the steering wheel itself, there's no nicks, no scratchers. The leather's all brand new. There's no sun fade or anything. The buttons at the back doesn't have any scratchers. Yeah, so this is my prized possession for now at least, and the Nismo grill as well. So just to show you, I think I have the other wheel here. That I'm not. So, yeah, this is, so I got two Nismo 365A steering wheels. This one I'm going to be putting on the car. This one I'm going to be keeping, and I'm going to be displaying it in the future because I don't think you can find many brand new ones left. It doesn't come with a Nismo hub, so I put on another hub that my friend gave me, but who cares? I've got another brand new Nismo hub that I could put on this anytime I want. And the story behind this is actually this was displayed in a shop in Japan, and it got kept in the box many years later, and it got forgotten until someone dug it out, and yeah, it's in my hands right now. So I'm happy to own a brand new 365A steering wheel. So happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of the unboxing video. I definitely enjoyed myself, and I know there wasn't much parts to show for in this episode, but I definitely saved my two best Nismo finds for now, and that was the brand new steering wheel and the Nismo front grille. So like, comment, and subscribe. Help me share this channel with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!